So what's up, guys? I'm up early today, so I'm getting a good head start on things for you. As you can see from this chart, these are my unusual volume market movers. I um, I discuss these in my Discord. I always post this kind of stuff in my Discord. They've already got it, so it's coming to you later than them. That's the beauty of the Discord. They get it first. You get it when I can make the video or get the video uploaded. Um, well ahead of the market here, guys. The market doesn't open for 2 hours and 15 minutes, okay? So you can pop that up. You can check charts, um, whatever you want to do, resistances, supports. I'm really only interested in a couple, okay? Uh, well, few. Let me put it that way. So this one is interesting because they signed a strategic investment deal for 248 a share. Why it isn't 248 a share, a little baffling, frankly. Obviously, um, yeah, I mean, I don't know. You would imagine that it would head north. It's obviously moved significantly, but it's not quite there. But that's this other company has invested 60 million at 248 a share, so which is nowhere near the current price. The CTB is like nothing though. These four, 1, 2, 3, 4. These four have basically no cost to borrow. Okay, when you start talking cost to borrow squeeze plays, that's where you get your wet G, your TCBP, your versus, which was up yesterday, your Saito, your DRMA, and your blue. Saito is 486%, guys. It is down over the last couple months from like $2. It hit like $1, but now it's $1.30. It's coming back up. Shorts are closing. Versus was pumping yesterday, so who knows if retail gets behind it, it can really take off. It's $1. Retail loves anything from $1 to $5. This is like, retail's playground. Um, DRMA, 130%. Blue, which is a health stock that frequently pumps and dumps all the time, 77%. It's up 100%. So some of these you may want to avoid, like blue. It's too high and the shorts closed, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. But there's plenty of room to run on a versus that's 5%. Okay. Um, Even these 20%, I mean, nothing wrong there. So I like the news there. Super Gaming League entered some agreement with someone like, who cares? It's some junker dumpster fire penny stock with no CTB, meaning the shorts haven't yet piled in. The shorts are going to pile in after this. I guarantee you. They're definitely going to pile in after this. I mean, I would if I can get shares. Why not? But GSMG, I'm liking a lot. Now, if you are in the Discord or thinking about a Discord, like there's plenty available, or my Discord in particular, you'll see it here, right? We follow Versus already. I mean, I've been following Versus for months, right? I mean, I don't even know how far back this goes. We're halfway and it's February. Like, I've been following Versus for months. Saito, we've been following for quite a while, since last week, okay? And like, look at the range: 132, 179, 215, back down to $1, $1.36, $1.08, backed up. Now it's $1.30, right? So we're following it. What do I got here? So I've got a whole bunch, right? I've got a whole bunch in here. I'm gonna be adding probably TC Bio. I thought I had TCBP. One second here. Okay, yeah, we do have. Yeah, we were following it in March. I guess I didn't create a room for it. So I'm gonna go in and create a room for it, because we don't follow all of them, okay? Because there's a lot. But if a member brings it up, it gets discussed. We pop it on the list. Um, but again, and this is just one of the things I do. We do earnings plays. We had people making 50, 100, 200, hundreds of percent yesterday, hundreds of percent every week on some of these trades, because we do a lot of options as well. I have free money placed that I'm 11 for 11 in the last 3 weeks. which have been 100% free money, pays for the Discord. You were given guaranteed money. That's there was a 1% chance you weren't getting money. And depending on your position size, could have been a very good, very lucrative. AMC was even one of those free money plays back when it was like $3. That jackknife, yeah, we played that all the way up. So it's not like I discriminate. I don't discriminate on certain stocks. You know, if a stock has a real bad day and I think there's upside, boom, we play it. If a stock has too much upside and we think, it's time for some downside, we play that. Like Mara and Riot over the weekend, right? It goes both ways, guys. We play up and down over here. Link is below me to sign up. Once you sign up, it'll take you to the Discord, okay? It's less than 50 cents a day. So, you know, it pays for itself. You don't enjoy it, you cancel. But like, there's over 400 members. And I mean, I think that speaks for itself considering the size of my YouTube channel. The fact that I have 400 subscribed members pays for itself. Now, I do have a premium level. Okay, that's $69.69. Shout out to Elon. And that opens up DMs. I have weekend classes that are $35. They last, like on Saturday, it was 3 hours. It's anywhere between 2.5, 3 hours. Okay, those are $35 entry, but premium you get that for free, and there's usually 2 a month. It usually takes me a couple weeks to fill the class because I want at least 6, 7, 10 people. Try to get 10 as a max. Premium has free entry to that. Okay, so if you want to be able to DM me, if you want to say, hey, can you look this up, can you look that up, can you do this, can you do that, can you check this filing for me, things of that nature, right? All that's time consuming. Obviously, I only have so many hours in a day aside from running the Discord. Sign up for premium. I just lowered the price. It was 100. I had 14 members who were happy to pay that. Meet Kevin's is 500 a month. I have a member who showed me a screenshot that he subscribed and just canceled to Meet Kevin. You're not even getting to talk to Meet Kevin, guys. You're talking to bots, you're talking to his staff, and it's 500 a month. I'm charging 69, and I could do a lot of research or check CTB, or, you know, if you're considering a position size, hey, should I average? What do you think of this chart? What are supports, resistances? But mainly the courses and the lessons, guys, that are live. We do them live. Well, when I say we, I mean me, but also the people that are in it. I do them live, so and they're interactive, right? It's not a pre-recorded lesson that you watch and somehow you're going to become a millionaire, right? That's not really realistic. So, yeah, pop in, guys, and hope to see some new faces over the week. Free.